Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to link AliExpress to Shopify. So you need to install an application to connect those two platforms. And the most popular one is DSers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and install DSers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to DSers. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you like. With DSers, you can import that product to your DSers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, change pricing, edit the description of the product, or even change photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from DSers to your Shopify store and it instantly appears as part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys from your Shopify store, DSers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory by yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.